Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment in one of the best university of Mathura, UP. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So now I will start. So this is the official website of GLA University. In that you can see top right corner there is a triple line, that is menu section. If you will select, in that you have to go for careers. Then in career section you can see there is current opening. This is the short notification which is advertised in newspaper also. GLA University Mathura accredited with A grade by NAAC 12-year status from UGC. Application invited for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in agriculture science, biotech, computer science, civil, electrical, electronics, mechanical, pharmaceutics, pharmacology, management and commerce, chemistry, English, mathematics, statistics, physics, law, pedagogy of mathematics and science. So these all branch and different departments, different streams have the vacancy for assistant professor, associate and professor. So for that, how you have to apply? So you have to apply by downloading one application form from this site, and after filling you have to send through email ID by 7th of February in the specified format available at our website. The shortlisted candidate will be called for interview and discussion. So now we are going to see what are the required qualification, experience and salary. So it is already downloaded in my mobile. So you can see here GLU University has been, this is the description of university. Desired qualification, specialization, experience and salary for professor, associate professor, for engineering, management, commerce, applied science and humanities, pharmacy and law, qualification and experience as per UGC or AICT or PCI or BCI norms. Means what the UGC has said the criteria for professor and associate professor, that is applied also that is applied here also. For assistant professor, for engineering, management, commerce, applied science and humanity, pharmacy, education and law, only PhD holders need to apply. No MEM Tech will apply here. Only PhD. If you have recently completed your PhD, then you can apply for assistant professor. Otherwise, if you have 3 or 4 year experience, then you can also apply for associate professor. All these things. Now coming to salary structure of different positions, like for salary for assistant professor, for engineering department, if you have PhD with 2 Scopus publication, then salary is around 70,000. PhD from NIT, if you have with 2 publication, then around 75,000. PhD from IIT with at least 2 Scopus publication, then you will get 85,000 per month. Regarding management, if you have PhD with at least 2 Scopus, then 60,000. But if you have PhD from IIM or IIT with 2 Scopus publication, then around 90,000 you will got here. If you have any experience, then this is the basic salary, means minimum you can tell. If you have extra experience regarding above the behind this qualification, then you will get incremented salary above than that. For other department, as per UGC 6th pay commission, salary will be fixed. Salary will not be constant for deserving candidate. Other perks, you will also get EPF benefit, medical accidental insurance benefit, research and travel grant for national and international conferences are also available. Handsome reward for merit are also provided as per university norms. Candidate who already appeared at interview held after 5/8/2020 will not be interview again. Means if you have already attended the interview on 5 August, yes, 5 August 2020, then there is no need to apply again and have to appear for interview. This is the application resume. You have to download from official site. I will upload the link in description box also, so you can directly go there and you can fill the form. This is the application form. You can see what post you want to apply, discipline, name, date of birth, present address, photo, email ID, mobile, category, which category you are going to apply. This is the required qualification. You have to fill branch, year, university, percentage, details of your PhD, what are the thesis, what are the mode, full time or part time, which university you have done, date of registration, completion, experience in this. You have to what you have experience, either it's industrial or teaching. You can fill in this row and column. What subject you have taught earlier, you can also fill there. Research areas, what you have main focus area in PhD, or what you have interest like that you can fill here. In this you have to fill all the publications what you have, list of journal unpaid, means which type of publication they want, they are mentioned here. Research outreach, make Google Scholar account as public. What are the total citation, H index, I10 index, Scopus index, these are all things you have to fill. If you have any patent, then you also fill that thing here. If you have published any book chapter, the things you have to fill. If you have any supervised PhD student, then all the details you have to fill here. If you have any certificate, that also you have to fill. Administrative service, that you also. If you have any extra achievement, then you fill there. You also have to put a reference if you have any. Then that's the end of application form. So it's a good opportunity for all who has completed your PhD with good publications, either from NIT, IIT, or state university or private university. You can apply here. It's a good because other benefit also you can get here. So if you have liked the videos, please subscribe, like it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.